everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for creating the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Garden sheds can go way beyond utilitarian structures. Besides housing gardening tools and supplies, these backyard buildings can create a charming focal point for your backyard. Whether you want a shingled shed with shutters, an all-glass greenhouse-style structure, a functional shed for potting and tending to flowers and plants, or a place to escape to for a few minutes of quiet, we have examples to inspire you to get started on building the perfect garden shed for your landscape and needs. A garden shed is a small, typically single-story building, often located in a backyard or garden area. Its primary purpose is usually for storage of gardening tools, equipment like lawnmowers, supplies like pots or soil, outdoor furniture, and other items that don't need to be kept indoors. They are commonly made from materials like wood, metal, or plastic and vary widely in size and complexity, from simple utility structures to more elaborate designs with windows, shelving, and even electricity. With these 27 gorgeous garden shed ideas, you can create an outdoor oasis you'll want to retreat to all summer. One, collect cottage-style garden shed furnishings. Garden sheds can include more than outdoor storage. Use them to create a comfortable workspace, provide a backdrop for prized plants, or be a destination where you can relax and entertain friends. This cottagecore shed serves as a sweet focal point amid a whimsical garden. Its sunny yellow siding complements the surrounding shades of green. Despite its small size, it houses a work table, stool, and a vintage red wagon for storing supplies. A cabinet hung on the walls showcases flowering plants, and a gardener's apron and hat are ready when needed. 2. DIY a salvaged garden shed. Salvaged windows and barnboard siding lend vintage character to this garden shed. Thoughtful details such as the window trim on the exterior and the cupola perched on the roof transform what could be a basic storage shed into an inspiring garden-side retreat. Don't be afraid to use a bold color for your garden shed to add even more personality. Because sheds are small, a bright hue like red will only add color rather than overwhelm, as it might on a larger house or garage. The decorative scrolled fencing emphasizes the delightful appeal of this tiny structure. 3. Maintain unobstructed views. This all-glass garden shed doubles as storage and a greenhouse in colder months. A light and airy design like this works well in a yard where you want the surrounding landscape to shine. Adding window boxes and gingerbread molding, building it on top of stacked stone, and using a salvaged chair as a planter ensures the design leans homey, not austere. For recycle leftover supplies, this backyard shed's design nods to the property's farmhouse, but beyond its charming shake siding and robin's egg blue door, the design is practical. Many of the materials used to build the shed were salvaged from a home renovation. No detail was spared in finishing the exterior, including a substantial salvaged doorknob and an old shovel hung under the eaves. The shed can be moved if needed, as it's set on concrete piers on gravel and sand instead of a permanent foundation. 5. Design a tiny landscape. With crisp white siding, Kelly green accents, and a low profile, this garden shed idea takes its cue from saltbox-style homes. It nestles into its own complete garden, delineated by a weathered wood picket fence. The landscaping with colorful flowering shrubs brings substance and a focal point to the backyard. 6. Juxtapose classic and casual. While many garden sheds look like miniature houses, this one forges a different design path. Salvaged materials form the greenhouse's structure and set a casual tone. Inspired by English designs, the surrounding formal topiaries and hedges juxtapose the shed's eclectic aura. Sliding windows at the bottom of the shed allow airflow, as do transom windows above the door and on the cupola. 7. Echo the surrounding landscape. When considering different garden shed ideas, take your cues from the surroundings. Set among towering trees and winding stone paths, This shed features weathered beams and traditional cottage design elements, fitting in its forest setting. The steely blue-gray door and shutters suit the design, while a glazed finish gives the features added dimension. Board and batten siding adds distinction to the garden shed's simple form. The window box and planters with colorful flowers brighten the shed's woodsy look. 8. Keep it sleek with mid-mod. This shed's streamlined design nods to mid-century modern style. Bold white trim on the windows and doors emphasizes the garden shed's contemporary angles. The overhanging roof creates the effect of a covered porch. Metal flashing and a wood soffit bring a retro aesthetic to the design. A coral Adirondack chair set amid the abundant flowers is a comfortable place to sit and enjoy the sunshine. 9. Mimic the main house. This cottage potting shed borrows design inspiration from the main house, using the same earthy green and white paint colors. Extras like a deck, stone path, and cottage-style mixed planting borders make this garden shed feel more like a home than a storage place. Several decorative touches, including lace window curtains, a quaint bench, and outdoor art, add homey appeal. In a practical move, downspouts ensure rain doesn't damage the plants that surround the building. 10. Have fun with garden shed ideas. Clever garden shed ideas don't have to be limited to the shed itself. This design proves a structure can be part of the garden itself with a roof of succulents. Mushroom gray siding recedes, letting the lime green sliding barn doors and cobalt blue roofline shine. A rain chain leads water from the rooftop to the plants. The stepping stone and gravel walkway is easy to maintain and enhances the casual feel of the fun and colorful hideaway. 11. Go big or go home. If you have the space, go big with your backyard shed's design. This large shed looks like a fun-sized grand home, thanks to its slanted copper roof, pillars, and welcoming porch with a handsome colonnade. A colorful bench and potted plants make the shed a welcoming extension of the home. On the clothesline, laundry hangs waiting to be folded. 12. Load up on charm. This garden shed matches its exuberant cottage garden surroundings. Architectural details such as the scallop trim, clapboard siding, window boxes, lace curtains, and weather vane make it the perfect focal point for the garden, and terracotta-colored roof shingles and a gray-blue exterior fashion a just right color palette. 13. Blend into the scenery. Look for ways to incorporate your garden shed into the landscape. Here, a steeply pitched roofline on a simple garden shed echoes the angles in the triangular raised beds and birdhouse. Even the picket fence behind the Adirondack chairs carries the theme through with pointed peaks. The shed's subtle paint colors help it blend into the surrounding greenery. 14. Introduce antique-style features. Gothic windows add to the antique feel of this garden shed. The distressed picket fence continues the look of the shed's exterior, while hanging planters mimic the stamped metal roof. An arched motif is found throughout the structure and garden. A row of boxwoods brings order and definition to the entry garden. 15. Embrace the slope. This garden shed's porch and entry door face downhill, providing a sweeping view of the garden. Lattice surrounds the base of the porch, offering an aesthetically pleasing backdrop for any plant. Window boxes and hanging baskets enhance this home-like garden shed. Greenery is hung on the walls in planters and from a window box on the side of the shed to reinforce the structure's purpose. 16. Incorporate rustic charm. Peeled hemlock porch columns varied with pine siding and a durable metal roof turn this shed into a rustic retreat. A simple wood bench and stacked firewood add to the down-home aesthetic, while a red door adds a welcome touch of color. The shed rests on a concrete block foundation surrounded by stacks of stones, giving the building a sense of permanence. This garden shed idea also provides an attractive way to level the shed and disguise the change in slope. 17. Add stately details. A steep faux slate roof and king post porch gable lend Tudor style to this potting shed. Oversized, false metal door hinges go with the historical theme. A bench on the front porch invites visitors to sit and stay a while, and the regal balustrades add a bit of formality to what's ordinarily a casual-looking structure. 18. Channel the cottage look. A playful profusion of flowers, whimsical sculptures, and found objects set the tone for a practical, light-hearted garden shed. This structure combines ample storage with a sun-drenched potting shed annex for a spacious gardening spot. Red window frames and trim add surprising color to an otherwise neutral shed. A small porch light means gardening can be done day or night. 19. Try a green roof. Join the green roof trend by growing sedum and other succulents on your garden shed roof. The succulents keep the shed cooler and soak up rainwater. Plus, the plants brighten the garden with their colorful foliage and blooms. Black trim around the windows and a black front door ground the exterior, and let the roof be the star of the show. 20. Play with your garden shed idea. Detailed scrollwork on the porch of this potting shed gives it a playful feel. Heart-shaped cutouts in the shutters, a Dutch door with lace curtains, and a white wicker chair complement the casual country look. Although the structure is slightly hidden, rich red paint ensures this garden shed doesn't get lost in the landscape, where climbing vines create a secret garden effect. 21. Raise the roof. Extend your garden shed upward for even more drama and function. A second-story dormer window infuses this shed with natural sunlight. Dental detailing at the eave line and doorway imparts a touch of elegance, as do the checkerboard tile floors and topiary planters flanking the entrance. Inside, plenty of shelves house dozens of pots for planting and cultivating, and a table work surface maximizes function. 22. Extend a warm welcome. A wide entry door, complete with sidelights and a fanlight, creates an elegant approach to this garden shed, where a pretty green bird and a relaxed cat wait to welcome visitors. The shake siding in a weathered finish balances the formality of the doorway's design. A brick walkway gracefully leads from the millstone fountain out front to the doorway. 23. Install an eye-catching structure. This potting shed complements the Victorian farmhouse on the property. Walls of windows fill the shed with light. Outside, antique paving bricks, a wrought iron fence, and sweeping planting beds anchor the shed in the expansive landscape. 24. Getaway to your garden shed. Cedar shake siding and shingles adorn this eclectic garden shed. Decorative white trim and mortared stone steps enhance the appeal of this destination structure, which is perched atop a matching retaining wall. A curved metal handrail adds polish while also acting as a safety feature. Two inviting Adirondack chairs enhance the stay-for-a-while design, enticing visitors to sit and relax. 25. Take it easy with prefab. With a kit you can build yourself, you can construct a cute garden shed in a weekend. Prefab wall panels assemble quickly, and doors and windows slip into pre-cut openings. Dress it up with hanging baskets suspended from beams and window boxes overflowing with flowers. Once the shed is built, get started filling it with your favorite gardening tools and supplies for a workspace you'll love. 26. Head out to the country. Give your garden shed country appeal. Barnboard siding, cedar shake shingles, and rustic wooden trellises set the tone. A sunny stoop provides the perfect place to grow herbs and tomatoes in containers. A hand-painted sign signals you've found your way to the gardening spot, and an exuberant purple chair adds fun color to the wood structure. 27. Feature latticework walls. Latticework and sturdy beams provide screening and a sense of enclosure for this potting shed, but you'll still get a nice breeze. The open design also means the homeowner can keep an eye on the garden while working at the potting bench. Saloon-style doors swing open for easy access. Which of these garden shed design ideas was your favorite? Do you have any garden shed design ideas to share? Let us know in the comments below. And if you loved this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest home and garden design inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.